welcome to Cupcake Kel. Today we are going to make another viewer cupcake suggestion. Thank you so much, Marina. I cannot wait to make these, so let's get started. Okay, what you will need for these wonderful cupcakes is our icing. We will need our cupcake vanilla cupcake recipe as well, which I will leave on the above link for you to go to. We will need our icing piping bags, our nozzle, which is just a round nozzle, but you can choose any one that you want. You will need our cooking chocolate or milk chocolate, and our chocolate has just been basically grated down into these beautiful little shards of chocolate. Yum, I just want to eat it right now, but I won't. And we will need our block of cooking white chocolate, which is basically going to be melted down, and then we're going to add 2 different colors to our mix. And we will need some grapes. I know, grapes. Easter egg recipe? Well, I thought about a number of people that would be screaming out, oh, I want to eat a cupcake and I want to have Easter eggs, but I can't put them together because, oh my goodness, that's just too many calories, blah, blah, blah. So I thought about making this recipe a little bit more on the healthy version side. So I thought, what does Easter eggs look like? And they actually look like grapes. So our 3 eggs are sitting on top of our Easter eggs today are not actually Easter eggs, not chocolate Easter eggs. These are actually going to be grapes. I worked out that 3 Easter eggs sitting on your cupcake today would be 99 calories, but 3 grapes with our coated milk chocolate is only going to be 21.75 calories for 3 of them. So there you go. You can have your cupcakes and your eggs and you'll feel good about yourself. Let's get going. Perfect. Okay, so pop your nozzle into your piping bag and make sure that you cut the tip enough so that your piping nozzle can come through your bag. Now this is a bit of a tricky bit, but hopefully we get all that icing in there fine. I did that before. I'm hoping for another miracle today. And we just slowly add our icing into our piping bag. Oh, I might shuffle that down a little bit. Ah, that's good. Okay, and one more scoop and we'll be done. And then we'll come back to icing our vanilla cupcakes. Okay, once you have your icing sugar, once you have your icing mixture into your bag and you can see that it's ready to come out, it's ready to ice. So very, very slowly, all I'm going to do is just make some mounds out of this. So I'm just going to go around and around and around until we make a bit of a, it looks like a bit of a snail effect, like so. Just very, very thinly, just because we're going to have so many different ingredients on top of our cupcakes, so we don't want to overpower the icing mixture, but it's going to be absolutely delightful. And that's very, very easy to do. So I like easy recipes that you can just quickly and basically, oh yeah, I got some leftover. Okay, oh, maybe I should wash my hands after that. I'll be right back. Kel really has to stop eating all of her food or it's not gonna come out to you. Okay, next we're going to make our little nests out of this beautiful crumbly shards of chocolate. And what we do with the chocolate to make it look like a nest is we're going to sprinkle these on the outside. So try and get it on the outside as much as we can. And we just follow that around until it looks like a little bit of a round mound around your cupcake. And that looks perfect. Great. No time for making these all pretty. We want these in our mouth. And don't worry guys, we don't have to do as many squats today because we've worked off 1/4 of the calories already. Perfect. Now let's get on to our Easter eggs, #grapes. And we need to melt some yummy white chocolate, and then I'm going to show you how to make these Easter eggs out of grapes. So this is the fun part. This is where we get to dip our yummy grapes into our milk chocolate mixture. And I was actually going to do it with toothpicks today, but when I was cutting up the grapes, I noticed that the grapes had a little bit of their stem still kept on. So we actually don't even need your toothpicks. You just need to cut a little bit of the stem, and that's a really good hole for your grapes to dip into your white chocolate. So, like so, just bubble it around. Ooh, beautiful. Perfect. Like so. We'll shake off as much of the mixture as possible. And then we're going to pop him onto the board and just let him just sit there. And we'll do this a couple of times because I do want some of the white chocolate mix to be one of our eggs on top. Oh, this is the most funnest part. Oh, so yummy. And only 1/4 of the calories. How about that? I never thought that I would do a video like that. Okay, perfect. Our next part that we need to do is we're going to make a pink out of our white chocolate. So all we need to do is just add a little bit of it. Whoa, whoa, just a little bit. Whoa, reverse that. This is going to be really dark now. Just a little bit. Oh, no, it's not. It's actually quite nice, actually. But if you want to make it a little bit lighter, don't go over the board like I just did. Just go ahead and I just jump right in. So there's our beautiful pink mixture. Beautiful. We're just going to add in our yummy eggs. Ooh. Now if you find, I can see it right now, but if you find that your mixture is starting to dry up on you a little bit, maybe not dry up on you, but just dry out a little bit, just pop it in the microwave for another burst, which is what I'm going to do without eating. Okay everybody, and our last colour for today is blue. So we're just going to add in a little bit of blue. Hopefully this comes out just a lovely little colour of blue, but I don't think it will, because again I just go in there with that blue. Just give it all that I have. My husband's behind the camera going, oh, she's done it again. But hey, they're going to taste mighty blue, Smurf blue. Yum. Okay guys, and our last little dip-de-loos. Oh, sprinkle that in there. Oh, so good. Yum. And you are going to eat those yummy little Easter cupcakes in no time. Last one. And there we go. So we have our 3 colours. Now we just need to let them sit into our cool fridge or freezer, whichever you have space in, and you haven't done your shopping for the week and you're running out of room. So you just need to leave them in a cool area for about 5 minutes, and then we'll come pop them onto our lovely little cupcake nests. I know what you're saying. These look exactly like those Easter eggs that come wrapped. So good. Look at that. Look, great goodness. Now very carefully, all you do is you take the little chunk off, the little stem off. It's going all over my hands. And just very, very carefully, I learned a little bit of a trick. Now, we're going to dig these stems out with a fork, and then we're just going to release them because they're going to be stuck. And they're not going to look overly as attractive, but they're going to be so healthy. Well, healthier. And then we just take them and we just line our beautiful little Easter eggs. Oh my goodness. We'll take this one in the middle because I do not know what happened to that last one. I did not touch it in between edits. I promise. Okay, and we just pop our last one on. Oh, oh, they just look like the real deal, don't they? I cannot tell the difference between Easter eggs or Easter grapes. Let's do some more. Oh, this is all the fun. Oh, what fun it is to ride. Oh no, it's not that time yet. Don't start singing Christmas carols. Oh my goodness. These grapes are a decent size, which is what that we can eat because they're not actual chocolates. Marina, I know what you're thinking. Actually, I don't know what you're thinking. I'm hoping that you like it. Yum, but they're going to be, oh, so delicious. I'm going to really look forward to eating one of these bad boys. These were so much fun to make. You can make these with your kids. You can make them with your adults. You can make them at home by yourself because there's not really much that you have to do here. Just dip some grapes in some chocolate. Surely you can do that. And our last one wants to stay onto the plastic. Oh, and there you have it. Yum. These are so much fun to make. These look incredible. In fact, I'm going to put a little bit more chocolate over the top because we saved on some calories with the grapes itself. And oh my goodness. They are so good. They look like little Easter balloons. Now, it wouldn't be the ending without me trying one of these, so I am going to try the middle one. And go just right in. Yum. So good. All right. Oh, so good. The recipe will be in the link. You've got to try these. Oh, yum. The best of the grape is so yummy. Oh, so good. I'm going to have another one. I'm sorry. I should be ending this with like, subscribe. And you can do that while I'm eating this cupcake. Go for it, guys. I'll see you next time. Oh,